It is all too easy to think of Orlando as just a vacation paradise for families or the occasional week-long business convention. But if you desire to hang out in a cosmopolitan city with nightclubs and speakeasies that rival the best in Miami and New York, I'll let you in on a best-kept secret. Orlando has some of the best bars, lounges, and intimate speakeasies in the world. Look, it may come as a shock, but Orlando has a good bar scene. Like, really good. When it comes to cocktails, you'll find everything from high-end Japanese whiskey to rare mezcals, with high-class establishments like the ultra-exclusive Hanson Shoe Repair and the big city elegance of Mather's Social Gathering, pouring eucalyptus bitters, amari, and thyme-infused vermouths. You'll find cocktails to rival Chicago and L.A. With all the emphasis on Orlando's stature as the theme park capital of the world, it would be a mistake to miss the vibrant nightlife scene we have here. I'll take you on a visual tour of some of the best Orlando bars and speakeasies, coming up next. I chose Halloween weekend to visit downtown Orlando's clubs, and our visual tour through the best Orlando bars and speakeasies begins with the Bullet Bar and McQueen's. The Bullet Bar dispenses with the top 40 and VIP club scene, and instead embraces a rock and roll ethos and an in-your-face decor with homages to some of rock's greatest heroes. Invites those with a modern-day flair and a come-as-you-are attitude. The owner claims it is a collision of music, art, alcohol, and some bad decisions. But the drinks are top-notch. If you are looking for some unpretentious fun, the Bullet Bar and McQueen's may just be your style. If making the scene without making a scene is more your speed, then Bauhaus is the perfect hangout for you. This small and intimate venue serves as the front office for the even more intimate speakeasy upstairs, which we will visit in a moment. Bauhaus is located on the first floor of the historic Hanson building, which is one of the oldest buildings in downtown Orlando. With dark and relaxed seating, it's the perfect place to hide away from your personal paparazzi. Bauhaus has a superb craft cocktail menu. Try one of their signature cocktails, or request your bartender to craft something bespoke just for you. Head upstairs and you will come across the door to ultra-elite Hanson's Shoe Repair. Find the buzzer and give the password to enter a speakeasy that takes its craft of handmade cocktails seriously. Only 40 guests can enter, but once inside, you will feel truly special in this dark and cozy space that features low-beamed ceilings, brick walls, and private outdoor rooftop terrace catering to the privileged few that make it in. The bartenders at Hanson's Shoe Repair are perfectionists and dedicated to their craft. Only premium spirits are used. Expect to wait, and expect the wait to be worth it. Truly a hidden gem in downtown Orlando, Bauhaus and Hanson's Shoe Repair are some of the best Orlando bars and speakeasies worth seeking out. Last on our tour is Mather's Social Gathering, an incredible speakeasy that rivals any club you will find in New York, L.A., or Miami. Mather's Social Gathering is a bespoke speakeasy that you must locate by first finding a hidden door behind a bookcase in a third-floor library. Check the fiction section. Inside, find a breathtakingly designed Prohibition-era living room, complete with comfortable leather armchairs, polished bookcases, plenty of exposed brick, wood beams, and well-worn leather sofas. Located in a historic building built over 140 years ago in downtown Orlando, Mather's Social Gathering is loaded with every base spirit, liqueur, amaro, vermouth, and bitter under the sun, including a prized collection of mid-20th century spirits curated in their self-described Dusty Bottle collection that you can sample if you have the desire and the means. The collection includes a first bottling of ultra-rare 69 George Dickel whiskey in the powder-horn bottle, a 1951 bottle of imported Canadian Shenley OFC whiskey, and an exceptionally smooth 77 Jim Beam in the yellow Stutz Bearcat decanter. Most of their handmade craft cocktails are classics or variations thereof. I recommend you try a smoked cocktail like the Envy, misted with whiskey barrel bitters and served in an oak smoked decanter. The drink includes Angel's Envy bourbon, honey ginger blend, lemon, whiskey barrel bitters, green apple, and thyme. If you need a little sustenance, the Bites menu is utterly amazing. I highly recommend the Mather's Platter with cheese, charcuterie, dried fruit, and more. Mather's Social Gathering is the place in Orlando to see and be seen. I hope this tour of the best Orlando bars and speakeasies has encouraged you to seek out new adventure the next time you visit Orlando.